Would you believe I'm in the middle of New York City? I'm on the Close, a peaceful oasis in the grounds of the General Theological Seminary. Residents of Chelsea Enclave have private access to this special spot. The seminary's Close is characterized by a row of neo-Gothic buildings along 21st Street and peaceful tree-shaded lawns, truly uncharacteristic of its urban setting. Now let's head upstairs and have a look at this elegant home. Spanning over 1,500 square feet, this apartment boasts a huge living room over 19 feet wide and a wall of floor-to-ceiling windows. This space is really built for large-scale entertaining and big gatherings. The gorgeous open chef's kitchen will allow you to entertain in style with beautiful finishes and top-tier stainless steel appliances, including a Bosch dishwasher, 4-burner Wolf range and oven, with a fully vented Miele stainless steel hood, Sub-Zero refrigerator, and Sub-Zero stainless steel wine cooler. A separate kitchen pantry provides additional full-length storage and houses a vented Miele washer dryer. There are 2 spacious bedrooms, including this luxurious primary suite. It has 2 massive walk-in closets and an oversized spa-like bath with separate tub, shower, and double sinks. The second bedroom features more of those beautiful floor-to-ceiling windows and great natural light. The wide plank oak floors, built-in Sonos sound system, and additional half bath are among the details you're going to absolutely love. Chelsea Enclave features some amazing amenities. Let's go have a look. It all starts with this gorgeous roof deck, mature trees, beautiful landscaping, and stunning iconic skyline views. 24-hour doorman, resident manager, fitness center, yoga room, children's playroom, and garage, Chelsea Enclave truly defines elevated living. I'm Drew Glick with Brown Harris Stevens. Contact me or my partner Juliana Frei to see this very special property.